Most everybody associates Savannah with the book Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil, written by my friend John Barrett. And I spoke with his mother, and she gave me John's favorite chocolate pie. And I've gathered all my ingredients, and we're fixing to make that pie. I started this morning with a basic meringue, which I've put into a pie pan and just shaped it like a pie crust. Now to cook it, you put it in a preheated 450-degree oven. And we're immediately going to turn our oven off. And we're going to let our meringue sit in the oven for 3 hours, and it will dry out and make a wonderful light brown shell for us. So my meringue shell is all ready to go. And now we can start the filling part of this wonderful pie. We're going to take our yolks that we saved from our egg whites. We're going to add our sugar, water, and just a pinch of salt. And we're going to kind of beat these until they're fluffy. And then we're going to add them to unsweetened chocolate. Now we're going to pour these in to our chocolate. And we're going to whip our chocolate and our egg and sugar mixture until it's thick. And this is on top of a double boiler over a light bowl. And it's incorporating and starting to get that gooey, sinful chocolate look to it. And I think it's just about ready now. And we're going to set this to the side, and we're going to let it cool, because we've got one more step before our pie's completed, and the chocolate must be at room temperature. Our meringue is ready, and now we're about to put our delectable chocolate filling all in the center of that beautiful meringue. Our chocolate is cooled, and we're going to put 2 cups of sweetened, beaten whipped cream, and we're going to fold that into the chocolate. What a combination, right? Look at that pair. And now we're going to pour this into the center of our meringue. How luscious. The only thing about your angel pie is you do have to do a little planning. You can't make this and serve it that day unless you start very early in the morning. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator, let it chill. Right before we're ready to serve it, we're going to take it out and put, just in case we don't have enough, we're going to put more whipped cream on it and shaved chocolate. I want to show you how to shave chocolate. Now we have our angel pie here, and we're going to top it with just a little bit more fresh cream. And we're going to take just a simple vegetable peeler, and we're going to just peel chocolate curls onto that whipped cream. The final touch to our pie today is going to be just a couple of sprigs of fresh mint. What a perfect topping.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.